Okay, so the thread runs from the top of the machine through this little hook right here. It's hard to do with one hand, so there we go. Okay, so when you push this lever down, halfway down, you'll see this kind of a hook. Looks like a duck head kind of right there. And then when you push it all the way down, you'll see these 4 prongs come around. If you look at the freeze frame, you will notice the little hook right in the middle of those 4 prongs. And that's what goes through the eye of the needle to draw the thread through. Okay, so we're going to take this thread, wrap it around the duck's head. I don't think it matters if it goes over which way it goes. You're going to pull it off to the side, push the lever all the way down so that the 4 prongs come up, and you'll see the hook come through the needle. For me, it's a little hard with my old eyes, but the hook comes up through the needle. And you've got to slide that thread over those bottom prongs, close to the bottom prongs, so that it hooks that hook. So here we go, over the duck's head. Push it all the way down, slide it up over and between the top prongs and the bottom prongs. Kind of try to get it back over that hook. Sorry, dropped it. You pull it to the side, push the lever all the way forward, hook it through there, and then pull it back to the back a little bit. There you go. And you'll notice it doesn't pull the thread all the way through. It makes this little loop right here. And then you just go ahead and pull that loop on the way through. This isn't really an automatic threader. It's more of a assist to thread your needle. Sometimes it's harder than just going ahead and threading it the old-fashioned way. But I'll do it again. So you push down the lever, go around the duck's head, push the lever all the way down so that the prongs come forward and the hook goes through the eye of the needle. Slide your thread up through the upper and lower prongs, kind of pressing it against the lower prongs. Pull it kind of back. It's taut, but yet it's loose too, so that it'll be able to pull it through that needle. So back we go, let it go, and there we go. Once again, you have that little loop back there. So I hope this helps you use your threader. If you'd please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.